Hello, and this month on Patreon we're gonna learn how to basically set up those kind of sci-fi shields and barriers. So first we're gonna start in Substance, where I'm actually gonna show you a couple of tips and tricks how to export your texture and add additional alpha channel, so we can actually make those textures pulsates. And the other example, as you can see here, those hexagonal shapes shrinks down, and this is done on the texture level. The next part would be to create this mesh. So we're gonna dive into Houdini and try to create this mesh in a procedural way, so we can change the variables, and basically we can export a bunch of various different meshes into the engine. And in the last part we're just gonna open the engine and try to create this material setup basically that will be very easy to edit, and hopefully you'll get a lot better understanding on how to create those kind of materials in the game engine. Okay, all right, so I hope you're gonna enjoy this one.